I feel like I should be in a lab with beakers and stuff.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. I've gotten a couple of requests for today's video. I was a little bit apprehensive to try this stuff because I tried it years ago and I did not have a pleasant experience. But I do know that this product has rave reviews on Amazon, about 12,000 to be exact. This product is Indian Healing Clay Mask. And it says right there on the front that it's the world's most powerful facial. Now, when I looked this up again on Amazon, although they do have an average of about 4.5 stars, the first few reviews were not good. A lot of people complained about burns on their face after using this mask, as well as having some horrible breakout episodes. So guess what? I'm gonna try it today. Now you're supposed to mix this stuff with water or raw apple cider vinegar, depending on the strength that you want. Water being the least and apple cider vinegar being the most. But when I used it 2 years ago, I had read on the reviews, some people used it with astringent. So, of course, I thought I would do that and it was not good. So today I'm going to give this stuff a fair shake, trying it with water on one side of my face and apple cider vinegar on the other. So here I have the dry product, and this one will be the apple cider vinegar and this one will be the water. So equal parts of each. And here's the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Oh, it stinks. I feel like I should be in a lab with beakers and stuff. Oh, it stinks. Ooh, it's bubbling. This side is not bubbling, and this one, let's see if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Stir this up. It does not mix very well. And someone in the review suggested to put equal parts in a baggie and squish it up that way. And then you can turn the baggie inside out and apply it without getting it on your hands, because apparently this stuff gets everywhere and it's very hard to remove. So take a look at these two. It's bubbling. This is the apple cider vinegar one, and it mixed far better than the water one. Super chunky, like my dog. So enough talking, let's do it. I'm scared. I'm not doing my entire face with this stuff. I am doing a little bit because, like I said, very sensitive skin. Look at that chunk. I'm leaving it there. There we go. Okay, that's one side. Much smoother and super stinky. Another layer. Done. All right. Shh. Let's see if I can put the cap back on. Let's see what it says as far as what amount of time I'm leaving it on for. Yes, I need glasses. I'm old and I can't see. Let dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. So 10 minutes for me. Oh, by the way, this stuff is 100% natural calcium bentonite. I don't know what that is. Let's look it up. Ooh, benefits, uses, and precautions. Many people enjoy bentonite clay benefits by taking it internally. In other words, drinking and eating it on top of using it externally on the skin. We're going to stick to externally. So I will catch you on the flip side. I'm going to spend 10 minutes letting this stuff fester. All right, so it has been 15 minutes at least. And I think I waited a little longer than 10 minutes because I thought this might dry, but I mean, it is dry. Just not what they say here. You will feel pulling and tightening and your face will pulsate. I don't think I want my face to pulsate. So I have a hot, wet washcloth to take this stuff off. I figure that's the best way to go. All right, let's start with this because that went on first. That was not difficult. So I'll tell you what happened to me when I used astringent with this stuff. I used it all over my face rather than a test spot. Good one, Lou. And my entire face looked like it had a red cutout mask remaining after taking it off. So yeah, and it stung and felt really dry and tight like it's supposed to, but I didn't like it. Nope. All right, so here's what we need to do. I gotta wait 10 more minutes for my skin to have the reaction of not having this on there any longer and see if there's any redness. So far so good though. Alrighty then. Yep, just as I thought. Red on the vinegar side and like a weird outline with white in the middle on the water side. Anyway, they do really feel, especially this side, soft to the touch and tight, as if the pulling of my skin somewhat remained after taking it off. But yeah, definitely smooth. More this side for sure. So what do I think about this Indian healing clay? Is it really the world's most powerful facial? I think if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, this stuff might be great. But yeah, it's not something that I would use very often at all. If your skin is sensitive, maybe try the water method. No astringent. No, not unless you want to look like Freddy Krueger or something. Anyway, that's it, you guys, for this video on the Indian Healing Clay Mask. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys. You come here now. I know, don't get mad at Mama. What could I have? She big girl. She's here. Let's see if she'll stay on the sofa. Oh my god. Hey. Oh, don't get your butthole on my couch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She loves you. Hello. Hello. Look at her big body. She's got a huge body. Yeah. Oh no. Oh. 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 What is it? Do you think she'll stay here if I start? Lay down. Try it out. Yeah, you lay down. Yeah, I don't want you to jump down though, okay? I know. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh. She has bad legs. Oh, oh. Get out. Okay.